Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to learn the chapter Akshay Urja, Bhavishya Ki Urja, which is from the grade 6 textbook Gunjan. Akshay means you can see down they have given the word meanings. Jo nasht na ho. Nasht means destroy, means which cannot be destroyed. Urja means energy, Bhavishya means future. So, what is the meaning here? The energy that cannot be destroyed. Bhavishya ki urja means the energy of future. Let's start. बातों बातों में means basically before starting the lesson, the textbook asks us a few questions. So exact meaning of बातों में means in general. लगातार काम करने के बाद हमें थकावट क्यों महसूस होती है? लगातार मीन्स कंटिन्यू, काम करने के बाद मीन्स आफ्टर वर्किंग, थकावट मीन्स टायर्डनेस. द होल मीनिंग, व्हाई डू वी फील टायर्ड आफ्टर वर्किंग कंटिन्यूअसली? विद्यालय में भोजनावकाश क्यों होता है? विद्यालय मीन्स स्कूल, भोजनावकाश मीन्स लंच ब्रेक. व्हाई डू वी हैव अ लंच ब्रेक इन स्कूल? घर में पंखा, बल्ब, रेफ्रिजरेटर, टीवी आदि किससे चलते हैं? What do the fan, bulb, refrigerator and television at home run on? जो कभी ना समाप्त हो उसे क्या कहते हैं? समाप्त means finish or end, end. The whole meaning, what do we call something that never gets exhausted or that never gets ended? Next, ऊर्जा हमारे तन और मन दोनों की जरूरत है. द मीनिंग, एनर्जी इज एसेंशियल फॉर बोथ आवर बॉडी एंड आवर माइंड. हमारी दैनिक गतिविधियां भी विद्युत के रूप में ऊर्जा द्वारा ही संचालित होती हैं. दैनिक गतिविधियां, दैनिक मीन्स डेली, गतिविधियां मीन्स एक्टिविटीज. विद्युत मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, संचालित मीन्स ऑपरेट. The whole meaning, our daily activities are also carried out with the help of energy in the form of electricity. इसके बिना हम अपने जीवन की कल्पना नहीं कर सकते. इसके बिना means without it. कल्पना means imagine. The whole meaning, without energy we cannot imagine our लाइफ. लेकिन ऊर्जा के लगातार बढ़ते प्रयोग से इसके परंपरागत स्रोतों के समाप्त होने की आशंका बढ़ गई है. लगातार बढ़ते प्रयोग मीन्स कंटिन्यूअस इंक्रीज. परंपरागत स्रोतों मीन्स ट्रेडिशनल सोर्सेज. द होल मीनिंग, however, because of the continuous increase in the use of energy, there is a possibility that the traditional sources of energy may get exhausted. इसीलिए उन विकल्पों की ओर ध्यान देना आवश्यक है जो अक्षय हो, यानी जिनका प्राकृतिक रूप से पुनर्चक्रण होता रहे. इसलिए मीन्स therefore, विकल्पों मीन्स ऑप्शंस, अक्षय मीन्स रिन्यूएबल, जिनका प्राकृतिक रूप से मतलब नेचुरली, पुनर्चक्रण मीन्स recycling. The whole meaning, therefore, it is necessary to focus on alternative sources of energy that are renewable. यह पाठ ऐसे ही ऊर्जा स्रोतों की चर्चा करता है. This lesson discusses such sources of energy. Now, let me give the explanation of this whole paragraph. Children, every activity we do needs energy. Whether we walk, run, play, study, or even think, our body and brain require energy. Similarly, many things we use every day, such as lights, fans, televisions, refrigerators, computers, etc., they all work with electricity, which is a form of energy. Today, electricity and fuel have become an important part of our lives, but we are using traditional energy sources like coal, petroleum, and natural gas very rapidly. Since these resources are limited, they may run out one day if we continue to use them carelessly. Renewable energy sources are those that nature keeps replacing. They do not get exhausted easily and are safer for the environment. In this chapter, we will learn about different renewable sources of energy such as solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, tidal energy and bioenergy. Let's start. ऊर्जा प्रकृति में स्वतंत्र रूप से मौजूद है. एनर्जी exists freely in nature. स्वतंत्र रूप मीन्स freely. इस ब्रह्मांड में जो कुछ भी है वह आंतरिक ऊर्जा के द्वारा चालित है. ब्रह्मांड मीन्स यूनिवर्स. Everything in this universe is driven by internal energy. चालित और संचालित means driven. Now explanation. Energy is present everywhere in nature. Every living organism and every natural process depends on energy. Without energy, nothing can function. Next line. ऊर्जा आधुनिक जीवन शैली का भी अविभाज्य अंग है. आधुनिक मीन्स मॉडर्न, जीवन शैली मीन्स लाइफ स्टाइल, अविभाज्य मीन्स inseparable. So energy is an inseparable part of modern life. इसके बिना आधुनिक सभ्यता के अस्तित्व की कल्पना भी नहीं की जा सकती. Means without it, the existence of modern civilization cannot even be imagined. Sabhyata means civilization. Just think about a day without electricity or fuel. There would be no lights, no internet, no transportation, no factories and no communication. So modern life depends heavily on energy. Next line. ऊर्जा और पर्यावरण के संबंध को भी अनदेखा नहीं किया जा सकता. The relationship between energy and the environment cannot be ignored. अनदेखा means ignore. वास्तव में भौतिक सुख सुविधाओं को पाने के प्रयास और आधुनिकीकरण की प्रक्रिया में अत्यधिक ऊर्जा का उपयोग हो रहा है. Means in fact. वास्तव में means in fact. The increasing desire for modern comforts and development has led to excessive use of energy. भौतिक सुख सुविधाएं means modern comforts. आधुनिकीकरण means development. अत्यधिक ऊर्जा का उपयोग means the usage of excessive energy, जिससे वातावरण में ग्रीन हाउस गैसों का उत्सर्जन बढ़ता जा रहा है. जिससे मीन्स एज ए रिजल्ट. वातावरण मीन्स एनवायरमेंट. उत्सर्जन मीन्स एमिशन. EMISSION emission. As a result, the emission of greenhouse gases is increasing. इसका परिणाम है ओजोन परत का क्षरण और धरती का बढ़ता ताप. क्षरण means depletion. The meaning of बढ़ता ताप means increasing or rising temperature. The whole meaning. This leads to the depletion of the ozone layer and the rising temperature of the earth. Parat means layer. Explanation. Burning fossil fuels releases harmful gases into the atmosphere. As we already know, these gases contribute to global warming and other environmental problems, making it important to shift towards cleaner sources of energy. इसलिए ऊर्जा के अन्य विकल्पों के विकास और शोध की आवश्यकता महसूस की जा रही है. इसलिए means therefore there is a need to develop and research alternative sources of energy. What is the meaning of this? Scientists are continuously working to develop renewable energy sources because they are clean, they are sustainable and environmentally friendly. Next paragraph. जिन स्रोतों से हमें ऊर्जा प्राप्त होती है वे दो प्रकार के हैं. The sources from which we obtain energy are of two types. First is अनवीकरणीय स्रोत. Second is नवीकरणीय source. अनवीकरणीय means non-renewable sources, and the second one is नवीकरणीय means renewable sources. What is the main idea of the chapter? The main idea of the chapter is energy sources are divided into two categories based on whether they can be replaced naturally or not. अनवीकरणीय या परंपरागत स्रोत वे हैं जिनका निर्माण लाखों करोड़ों वर्षों की प्राकृतिक प्रक्रियाओं के फलस्वरूप हुआ है. What is the meaning? Non-renewable or conventional sources are those that were formed through natural processes over millions of years. ये सीमित मात्रा में उपलब्ध हैं. सीमित मीन्स लिमिटेड. दे आर अवेलेबल इन लिमिटेड क्वांटिटीज क्योंकि इनका पुनर्भरण संभव नहीं है. पुनर्भरण, दे हैव गिवन द मीनिंग down, you can see. So they are available in limited quantities because they cannot be replenished. Now, explanation. For example, coal, petroleum and natural gas take millions of years to form. Once they are used up, they cannot be replaced quickly. That's why they are called non-renewable sources. Next, कोयला, गैस, पेट्रोलियम आदि ऐसे ही परंपरागत सोर्स हैं जो मानवीय कार्यकलापों द्वारा समाप्त हो जाते हैं और पर्यावरण के लिए गंभीर खतरा भी है. Means coal, natural gas and petroleum are examples of conventional sources. Human activities are causing these resources to get exhausted and they also pose a serious threat to the environment. खतरा means threat, गंभीर means serious. मानवीय कार्यकलापों means human activities. Now the explanation. Using fossil fuels not only reduces their availability but also increases pollution and global warming. ऊर्जा के वे विकल्प जो पूर्णीय हैं और पर्यावरण को कोई हानि नहीं पहुंचाते उन्हें नवीकरणीय या अक्षय ऊर्जा स्रोतों के रूप में जाना जाता है. Means the energy sources that can be replenished naturally and do not harm the environment are known as renewable or inexhaustible sources of energy. अक्षय ऊर्जा स्रोत अथाह रूप से भारी मात्रा में उपलब्ध होने के साथ साथ सुरक्षित और भरोसेमंद है. Means renewable energy sources are available in abundance and are safe as well as reliable. सौर ऊर्जा, पवन ऊर्जा, जल विद्युत ऊर्जा, ज्वार भाटा से प्राप्त ऊर्जा, जैव ऊर्जा आदि अक्षय ऊर्जा के स्रोत हैं. Means solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, tidal energy and bioenergy are examples of renewable energy sources. Explanation. These renewable sources are the future of energy because they are naturally available, environmentally friendly and can meet our energy needs without getting exhausted. Just a quick recap. In this page, what did we learn? We learned that energy is essential for our daily life. Traditional energy sources are limited and may get exhausted. Renewable energy is naturally replenished and eco-friendly. There are two types of energy sources, non-renewable and renewable. Solar, wind, hydroelectric, tidal and bioenergy are examples of renewable energy. So children, first page is over. See you soon with the next page in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.